Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north in Stony Hill towards Golden Spring, St Mary Parish. We are driving on Stony Hill Road, also the Stony Hill Main Road. We are now at Stony Hill Square. On the right is Seaview Road. Stony Hill Road continues straight towards Golden Spring, Temple Hall, as well as to St Mary Parish, but will be turning left onto Christopher Road, also St Christopher Road. On the left is Fort George Crescent. To the left you can find Stony Hill Art Academy, Stony Hill Technical High School, formerly Stony Hill Primary and Junior High School, and prior Stony Hill All-Age School. On the left is Stony Hill Police Station, and on the right is Stony Hill Health Center. On the right is Stony Hill Library. On the left is Homestead, Place of Safety. On the left is Stony Hill Infant School. On the left is the SOS Hermann Gmeiner School. Christopher Road ends, and just ahead is Old Stony Hill Road, and straight across is Gorwell Aerie. Going left will take you to Manor Park, Constant Spring and other communities. Making the right on Old Stony Hill Road towards Golden Spring, Temple Hall and other places. Old Stony Hill Road continues ahead, but we are making the left onto the Stony Hill to Parks Road road. On the left is Stony Hill Methodist Church. We are now en route to Guava Gap, Cavaliers, Salisbury, Parks Road, Above Rocks and other communities. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.